Everybody stand. Aurea, can you lead a prayer?
Let's bow our head and put our presence in the holy presence of God, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Our Father, Lord in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth
As it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Teacher James. Good morning, classmates. Good morning.
How are you today, class?
We're doing great, teacher.
Okay. Before you sit, kindly pick up some pieces of paper under your chair and arrange yourself. Okay. Who is the secretary of this class?
Zen, teacher.
Okay, Zan, kindly check the presence and also the absent for today.
Teacher.
Okay. Now, I established here a classroom rules in order for you to follow and to have a guide all throughout our discussion. Okay, everyone, can you read our classroom rules?
Be prepared. Be on time. Respect one another. Avoid using gadgets. Keep the classroom clean. Raise your hand if you want to speak.
Okay, is our classroom rules clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Who among you here can still remember to our last topic? Anyone from you? Yes, Mamerto?
Our last topic, teacher, was all about basic skills of badminton.
Okay, and what are those types of basic skills in badminton?
One of the basic skills of badminton is drive, smash. That's what I know.
Okay, how about you, Zen?
One of the basic skills of badminton, teacher, is clear shot, backhand grip, forehand grip.
Okay, thank you. And now, since we are already done to our last topic, let us move forward to our new topic. But before that, let me show you my scrapbook in order for you to have an idea to our main topic, because this scrapbook contains of pictures that in line to our new topic. And after 1 minute, I'll give you 1 minute to observe this scrapbook, and after that one, I'll give a question to some of you. Okay? Okay na ba?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Based on the scrapbook, what do you think is our topic for today? Yes, Ivy?
I think it's about outdoor and indoor activities, teacher.
Okay. Now, our topic is all about indoor and outdoor recreational activities. But before we dive to our main topic, let us have first our objectives. Everyone, can you read our objectives?
Classify of the 45 minutes the student should be able to classify activity that belongs to indoor and outdoor recreational activities. Share their personal experience and learning in different recreational activities during their childhood. Demonstrate the benefits of indoor and outdoor recreational activities.
Is our objectives clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now are you ready to our first activity?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Our first activity is picture relay. Everyone, can you read the instructions?
The teacher will divide the class into 2 groups. The teacher will be the one to instruct the mechanics of specific activity. Each group will have 2 minutes to finish the activities.
Okay. Now, I've prepared here pictures, and all you have to do is to find your partner first. Okay, I'll divide you into 2 groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Okay, please all stand. Okay, all you have to do is to maghawakan kayo ng kamay, face each other. Okay. Pwede niyo ba ano yung upuan? Ilagay dito sa okay. Now, all you have to do is to this picture is ang gagawin nyo is maghawak kayo ng kamay tapos ganito siya. Kuha kayo ng picture, then kukunin nyo, tapos ipasa nila at ilagay nyo dito sa table. Then, yung isa sa inyo ay idikit niya doon yung mga picture na ito kung saan ito belong. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. This is the group 1. And this is the group 2. Okay? Group 1 will be the first to play this activity. Okay, dito nyo siya idikit. Okay, isa sa inyo ang maglalagay dito kung saan nabelong yung picture. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, I'll give you 2 minutes to finish this activity. Okay? Your time starts now. Okay, now let's proceed to group 2. Your time starts now. Please, ibalik niyo na yung mga phone, yes?
Can I go to CR?
Okay. Balik ka agad.
Okay.
Okay. Now, let me check your output if it is correct. Okay, for the group 1, computer gaming. Okay? Saan ba nabibelong yung computer gaming?
Indoor, teacher.
Bakit? Yes, Ivy?
It's because, sir, computer gaming, sir, it's because, sir, ang mga appliances, it will be only mabutang malagay sa loob, sir.
Okay, thank you. How about table tennis?
Indoor, sir.
Yes, Cartagena, bakit?
Saan, sir? Indoor siya, sir. If sa labas ka magdula, sir, kaya mula, sir, malagpon sa layo. Dapat sa
Okay. How about the outdoor? Is this surfing belong to outdoor?
Yes, sir, of course.
Yes, and everyone.
Yes, sir, because there's no ocean in indoor.
Okay, thank you. How about camping? Camping. Yes, Tessa? Why is this camping belong to outdoor?
Because, teacher, wala pong puno sa indoor, teacher.
Okay. All of this is correct. How about the group 2? Is chess belong to both indoor and outdoor recreational activities?
Wrong, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
I think chess game can be played indoor and or outdoor.
Yes, bakit sinabre?
I think because if in outdoor or indoor there's no wrong playing the chess in indoor and outdoor. I think you can play chess both.
Okay, thank you. How about volleyball? Sino naglagay nitong volleyball?
Aurea po, teacher.
Yes, Aurea. Bakit mo
Yes,
nilagay ito sa
teacher.
bowl? Bakit?
Volleyball can be played both indoor and outdoor. Kasi, sa outdoor po, teacher is beach volleyball.
Okay, thank you. How about dancing? Is dancing belong to both?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. How about hiking? Bakit siya nabilong sa outdoor recreational activities? Yes, Ivy?
Hiking, teacher, it belongs to outdoor. Kaya mag-hike lang ka sa bundok, teacher. Wala namang bundok sa
Okay. How about show jumping? Yes, Cartagena?
Ano po? Ano na, teacher?
Show jumping.
horse.
Horse. Teacher, sa outdoor din siya, teacher. You cannot run horse inside your house, teacher.
Okay, thank you. All of your answer is correct. Okay. Now, when you hear or when you encounter recreation, what comes first in your mind? Anyone? Yes, Sinabre?
Recreational activity is a activity na pampalipas oras lang po. Like for enjoyment.
Okay, thank you. When we say recreation, those are the voluntary participation of an activity. Like, walang nagkukuman sa'yo, walang nag-force sa'yo na gagawin mo yung activity. All you have to do is to, during your free time, because dedicated time kasi yan yung recreation. Kung wala kang ginagawa, na free time mo is you can do anything yung mawawala yung problema mo. Okay? Okay, now, how about indoor recreational activities? When we say indoor, what comes first in your mind? Yes, Cartagena?
Teacher, for me, these are the activities na ginagawa sa inside the house ng teacher or inside the building na.
Okay, thank you. When we say indoor, it is an activity within the premises of your comfort zone. Like, sa home, sa loob ng building. And ano yung mga activity na ginagawa dito?
Mga household chores, teacher.
Okay, thank you for that idea. How about the others?
Computer, gaming, teacher.
Okay, that is one of the activity na ginagawa sa loob ng bahay or
Magdamasa, teacher.
Dancing, teacher.
Maghugas.
Okay. When we say indoor, ito yung mga activity na ginagawa sa loob ng building or home like in sports like volleyball, basketball,
Mentor.
yes, table tennis, yes.
Mag-gym, teacher.
Okay, that's it. Indoor recreational activities, we have two benefits. And what are those? First one is
It can be done in all weathers because you're under the roof of building. Wow.
yes, bucket. Bakit siya? Yes, Ivy.
From the statement itself, teacher, there's no disturbance, teacher, when you're in indoor.
Okay, thank you. How about this one?
Boost creation flow.
Creative flow
And decrease the risk of injury.
because it is known as the more passive one.
Okay. Mamerto, can you give an insight about this?
One of the benefits of doing the indoor recreational activities is to decrease the risk of injury. It is because nasa loob ka lang po ng bahay or comfort zone.
Okay, thank you. That is a two benefits or the advantage when you are in within a premises of the building or in a home. Okay, how about the outdoor recreational activities? Do you have any idea about this?
When activity is undertaken in a natural, rural, or open space outside the confines of building, usually large land area that is close to nature.
Okay, who can give an idea about this one? Yes, Tessa?
Outdoor teacher is an activity teacher na magbuhat nimo siya sa gawas teacher.
Okay, thank you. When we say outdoor, those are the activity na ginagawa natin sa labas. It is an open area, okay? Or open space.
Limited space, teacher.
Okay. And we have the 5 benefits of outdoor recreational activities. Okay, these are the 5 benefits of outdoor recreational activities. Okay, number 1 is everyone.
Improve your well-being. Build better mental health. Relieve stress and anxiety. Enhance your communication. Develop physical flexibility and coordination.
Okay, who can give an idea of improve your well-being? Why is it one of the benefits in outdoor recreational activities?
Sinabi teacher.
Yes, Mamerto?
Improve your well-being. I think it improves your whole body. Whole well-being po, while doing the outdoor recreational activity.
Okay. How about the build better mental health? Yes, Cartagena?
If magbuhat ka og outdoor activities, teacher, is ma-build you ng better yung mga mental health kay o ano, teacher. Wala kang mag-release o if magbuhat ka activity, teacher, yung mag-release ka og stress o bali mo mag-clear doon ang imong mind or iwas brain fog, teacher, so bali mo ma-improve ang imong mental.
Yes.
Very good. How about relieve stress and anxiety? Yes, Patwar?
If you're doing outdoor recreational activities teacher, if you are stressed or you have an anxiety teacher, makahelp siya teacher if you're doing recreational activities.
Bakit?
Teacher, teacher.
Yes, Ivy.
Same lang sa sagot sa number 2, teacher, which is the belt. Build better mental health, teacher. Because if you're doing an activities outdoor, teacher, just like hiking, yes.
Ano nakakatawa po?
Sorry, teacher.
Ivy.
Sir, teacher, just like in hiking, teacher, maka-encounter ka ng nature, teacher, which is maka-release siya ng stress, teacher.
Okay. How about enhance your communication? Yes, Aria?
When doing outdoor recreational activities, it relieves your stress and anxiety. And when your stress and anxiety, okay siya, then it builds your mental, better ang imong mental health, and it improves your well-being. And if ma-improve din mo siya tanan, you enhance your communication and na-apply confidence when speaking to your
Okay, thank you. And the last one is develop physical flexibility and coordination. Yes, Cartagena?
During outdoor activities teacher kay na-develop niya yung physical flexibility and coordination teacher kay kuan. Di ba pag buhat og mga everyday na nagabuhat og activities, di ba murag ma-improve ang ato ang kanang multitasking with teacher, maka-multitask na teacher ba?
Okay. Now, are you ready for our next activity?
Yes, teacher!
Okay. Our next activity is, everyone, can you read?
Ang kaalaman at karanasan ay ibahagi sa karamihan.
Everyone, can you read the instruction?
The teacher will hand over a bottle with popsicle sticks inside. That contains last name of the students through passing the bottle. When the music stops, the last person holding the bottle will pick one popsicle stick. Afterwards, those 5 students who picking by their classmate will be answered and share personal experience and learning in different recreational activities during their childhood.
Now, I prepared here a bottle that contains of your name. Okay.
Teacher, I'm
Okay.
ready, teacher.
Kapag nag-play na yung music, ay ipapasa niyo ito. Are we clear?
Yes, teacher!
Starts now. Okay, yes, Tessa.
Can you please fix what it's
It's Cartagena po, teacher.
Sino yung nabunot mo?
It's the number.
Okay, si Gabriel. And did you share your experience, your classmate, and learning the different recreational activities during your childhood?
When I was a child, when I was playing indoor and outdoor activities, it relieves my stress. It gives me confidence to talk to my playmates, and also it helps my whole body to be productive. It is because while doing those activities, you're also doing exercise.
Okay, thank you. Okay, ipasa niyo pa.
She will audition.
Mas name?
I want to share my experience back when I was in grade 8 po at we went to the house of our classmate, but his house is on the top of the hill, the top of the mountain, and we climbed, we hiked sa house nila, and it releases my stress. Yes.
Okay.
It connects me with nature.
Okay. And the last one.
Kantahin na po.
Ay, kantahin na.
My experience po sa mga inner activities teacher is na paano yung susunod teacher na kayo ay hindi ka makalagpan sa labas, hindi ka makalagpan sa life. Then, mga teacher sa outdoor teacher, kinagalulang isa nagmalata, capturing, kanang mga teacher, kabintero, mga teacher, look kaayo.
What a productive childhood!
Nagiging teacher nila sa patawaman, magmagita teacher, kinali mong kulang.
Oh, I love
Yan lang po sir. Yan lang po sir.
Like me, teacher.
I have a question for you, okay?
What?
What is household chores considered a recreational activities?
No teacher.
Bakit?
Yes, teacher.
Ah,
Yes, teacher.
Ang household chores ba ay makonsider natin na recreational activities? Yes, I do.
no teacher, because recreational activities, teacher, it is an activity that you willingly do, teacher, while ang childhood. Ang household chores, teacher, kay labag sa loob mo, teacher, kay so kasi mumama kasi kanang gusto mo lihok, teacher, o punta ko, teacher. So it's not an activity that you're willing to do, teacher. So it's not a recreational activity, teacher.
Okay, thank you. When we say household chores, some of household chores is our responsibility.
Yes.
Especially kapag yung mga parents natin is galing sa trabaho, kapag hindi yung mga work na hindi na nila makita, tayo yung gumagawa.
Yes.
Okay. And when we say recreation, those are a voluntarily participating to the activity, like your free time, and that is a obligated time. Okay. Now, let's have our next activity. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher. Show me what to do.
Okay, everyone, can you read the instruction?
In the same group, create a scenario based on the situation provided and highlight
The benefits of recreational activities.
Okay, is our instructions clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, in the same group, you will create a scenario based on the situation provided. And these are the situation. Okay? Group 1. Group 2. Okay, alam niyo na yung mga benefits kanina. Okay? Okay, your time starts now. Okay, by the way, class, before I forgot, this is your criteria.
Buti na lang, nasa loob sa
Yeah.
Oo nga, para recreational.
Dito pa tayo sa hindi tayo mababasa.
We're done po, teacher.
Teacher.
Tapos na ba ang lahat?
Yes, teacher!
Okay, group 1 will be the first to present their scenario.
Teacher, group 1 teacher. We are group 2 teacher.
first.
Good morning.
Saan yung
Good morning, everyone. We are the group 1.
Na-stress na dyan po aning demo na ako ba?
Uy, Tessa! Nasa naman ka? Stress yung pinag na ako. Wala kayo ano. Wala kayo ka ng exercise. Sige na nagpunta sa balay no. Wala na mo ako. Wala na siguro din yung buhok. Tapos ipon. Ito na yung diri. Dapat magkuha ka mag-jogging kita. Umanta ako maka. Para makakuha na
Ano ba?
din. Oo.
Ay,
Pero ba rin yung stress?
Sige ka. Sige.
Tomorrow. Nasakit pa rin ako. Jogging na ako. Rin ka mo stress?
Medyo.
So, thank you.
Yeah. Oh my God.
now the group 2? So do the next to present.
Good morning to each and everyone. We are the group 2. So the recreational activities that we take is the indoor activities.
Yes, teacher.
Ano? Lord?
Hala!
Ano?
Sabihin ko na sa susunod.
No, for a risk of injuries. Meron pati ako. Ito tang baso.
Magani, dili ka dito nagdula o chess.
No.
Magani, indoor atong gidula.
Yun, ako siya kuan sa tuang upo.
Yes.
Unya.
Di pa may problema.
Yes. Maro ka siya.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Ipag-ibalik sa mga upuan sa dami. Okay, this is your score. This in your performance. Group 1, in social connection, I'll give you 30%. Teamwork, kasi nakikita yung connection ninyong dalawa. I'll give you 32%. And the creator confidence, I'll give you 20%. And the creativity, I'll give you 15%. A total of 97%.
Wow.
And for the group 2, social connection, I'll give you 31%. And teamwork and communication, 33%. And creator confidence, 20%. And creativity, 15%. Total of 99%. Okay? Are you happy to your score, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, let's have our next activity. Everyone, can you read?
Langit lupa.
That
The teacher will ask a question to the
Students about their understanding in the class discussion. But the students will answer will be based on Langit lupa, game in which a group will be called, and whoever is last can will be the one to answer.
Is our instructions clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, let's prepare kasi pag sinabi kong langit, kayo ay
Tatayo.
tatayo. Kapag sinabi ko namang lupa,
Kami ay uupo.
okay. Now, langit. Okay, yes, Aulia. Dito ka sa harapan. Lupa. Langit. Yes, Mamerto. Langit. Langit. Lupa. Langit. Lupa. Lupa. Langit. Yes, Katahena. Okay.
Naupo.
Sino yung nauna?
Miss Arya.
Okay, Aurea. What are the two subtopic of recreational activities?
Indoor and outdoor activities, recreational activities.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Mamelto, what are the two benefits of indoor recreational activities?
Indoor po.
Yes.
The two benefits of indoor activities is that decrease of injury, and the last one is enjoyment while doing the indoor activity.
Okay. Yes, Katahena. Give me at least two benefits of outdoor recreational activities.
The two benefits of doing outdoor activity po is relieve stress and anxiety, and yung mental health teacher is ma-improve, and ang ikatulog teacher na hulog kay kanang maging physically fit po.
Okay, thank you. Now, please prepare a 1/4 sheet of paper. Everyone, can you read the instructions?
Classify the recreational activities provided and ensuring that each category is clearly defined and put into specific recreational activities.
Okay, is our instructions clear?
Yes,
Okay, we
teacher.
now start.
Wait, I'll teach you.
Done na po, teacher.
Not yet, teacher.
Not yet, teacher.
Tapos na ba kayo?
Wala, teacher.
Wala pa, teacher.
Okay, take your time.
Done na, teacher.
Okay. Pass your paper. Okay, now, for your assignment, everyone, can you read?
In 1A illustration board, create a poster making that shows the benefits of indoor and outdoor recreational activities. Deadline will be on Monday.
Okay. Is our assignment clear?
Yes, teacher.
Any clarifications?
No, teacher.
Ay, teacher.
Yes?
Ano sa ito about sa household chores, teacher?
When we say household chores, that is kasi meron tayong iba't ibang household chores, and some of household chores is our responsibility. Kaya hindi natin matatawag or ma-consider na yung household chores is a recreational activities.
Yes, teacher.
Because when we say recreation, that is a voluntarily participating of in specific activities. Okay? Anyone?
Okay, teacher.
Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
Okay. Everybody stand. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Sir James. Goodbye, classmates. Goodbye. See you next meeting.
Ano ba ito isa?
37.